Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage L, the train, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. The train whistled its goodbye as it left the station. The sky was clear and the sun warmed the tracks. It picked up speed. In the distance stood the great white-topped mountains. The train eyed the tunnel at the base of the range. It grew larger and larger as the train puffed and pushed its engine. It had no fear. It would go through them. Questions. Where was the train in the first sentence? Describe the weather using words from the text. Why did the train whistle? Did the train go faster as it came near the mountain? How do you know that? Why did the train not fear the mountain? Now let's check the answers. Where was the train in the first sentence? The train was leaving the station. Describe the weather using words from the text. The weather is described as clear with sun warming the tracks, so we could say clear and sunny. Why did the train whistle? Two answers here. We could say because it was leaving the station. We know it's leaving the station from the first sentence. Or we could say to say goodbye to the people at the station. Did the train go faster as it came nearer the mountain? How do you know that? Yes, it did go faster. It picked up speed. Sentence 3. It also says the train puffed and pushed its engine, meaning that it's working hard and maybe picking up speed. Why did the train not fear the mountain? Two possible answers. Because it says it would go through the mountain. Or we could say that there was a tunnel it would use to go through the mountain. The sentence, the train eyed the tunnel at the base of the range. Thank you for your time. How did you go?